Welcome back to Financify. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to place a trade on eToro using your mobile. Let's dive right in. First, open the eToro app on your mobile. Make sure you are logged in. Once you are on the home screen, tap on the search bar at the top. Type in the name of the asset you want to trade, like a stock, cryptocurrency, or commodity, and select it from the list. On the assets page, you will see its price chart and basic details. Tap on the trade button. Now, you will be on the trading interface. Here's what to do. Enter the amount you want to invest. You can tap on units if you prefer to buy a specific quantity of the asset. Then, if leverage is available, you will see an option to choose the multiplier. For example, X1 is no leverage. Then, set a stop loss to automatically close the trade if it reaches a certain loss level. Optionally, set a take profit level to lock in gains automatically. Double check these settings before proceeding. Once everything is set, tap an open trade or buy to execute. For pending orders, tap on set order. After placing the trade, go to your portfolio tab to view or manage it. Here, you can monitor performance or close the trade anytime. And that's it. Placing a trade order on eToro using mobile is simple and quick. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more guides from Financify. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.